Third. Third option pare.
Sige na, panalo ka niyan pare. Sana makapasok ka. Ibibidyo ko para may katibayan. Sige, dito ako banda. Okay.
Before that, may we request first our top 6 to go on stage for your last appearance.
Okay na pare, sa taas. Ito mga Diyos sa mapulo ko. Ito yung mga top 6. So, ayan, tandaan yung mga mamumukha na yan. Ayan o, nakabato. Isa.
So, for our top 3,
Ito pa, nakabato.
our second runner-up is
Bato. Ay, ewan ko.
contender number 14, Maria Nicole Aliman of Neighborhood Bato Camarines School. Let's give her a big round of applause. To award, may I call Honorable Roger C. Llamas and Mr. Herminio T. Ibanez to award the certificate.
Congratulations! Top 6.
Again, our second runner-up is Maria Nicole Aluman of Neighborhood Batu Camarines School. Let's give her a big round of applause. Our first runner-up is contender number 7, Dante Tanay of Estrellas Batu Camarines Sur. To award, may I call Honorable Roger C. Llamas and Miss Maria Christine S. Onoya to do the honor.
Second place. Congratulations! Ginawa nyo ng exclusive. Diba? Kaya sasali pa kayo ulit, ano? Hindi ka sa ulo nyo eh. Of course, photo. Diba? Kung may mga judges o mga ganyan, o. Mga barangay tanod. Yan ang labanan dito.
And for our grand champion for this year's Amateur Singing Contest 2024 is contender number 15, Mark Anthony Ramos of Matacon, Pulangi, Albal. To award, may I call Dr. Sulpicio M. Tanay Jr. and Honorable Roger C. Llamas to do the honor.
Isang gabi, dalawang champion si Mark. Congrats! Sana all!
Congratulations! You have truly impressed us with your incredible voice and amazing performances. We're so proud of you and cannot wait to see you what you will accomplish in the future. May we request also the non-winners participants for their consolation prizes.
Best in attire.
For our best in attire, for women.
Ano to number 14.
Our best in attire in women is contender number 14.
14 na to. Tapos na men.
For men, best in attire,
Number
contender number 6.
Decent attire pa mga kaibigan.
Sarahin mo yan.
Wala, yun o.
For Best Attire for Men, we have contender number 6. We will request our non-winner participants to go on stage for their consolation prizes. Thank you.
Yung mga nagdoble na kanta pare, gano'n din yung consolation nyo? Wala doble? Pahingin na tubig ha, pare, kuha na tubig yun. Kuha ka na tubig mo, kuha ka na tubig. Sige na, tubig yan yan. Wala na yun eh. Washing na nga eh.
Diba tayo na? Thank you very much.
Thank you po sir.